Dear friend, I finally made it to Sweden. Swedish tend to have feet köttbullar for dinner. And you know what? We got watermelon on day 2 here in Stockholm. It's the most memorable thing from my whole trip. Yours, Jojo. After spending 3 days in Stockholm now, we just hired our car and are now on our way down south until Malmö. But our first stop is gonna be Örebro, and until we arrive there we have one little stop, which is the King's Palace, I think, but we're gonna see.
I wanna dance with you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset, make me looking good till I wanna kiss you before the sun.
Name and vibe.
Strawberry.
It's what you do.
Lime.
Some cheese doodles. Closed hand.
Senses clear. I'll be alright. We should have lived a life together in your warm inside. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I smooth like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know.
Hey Siri, how do you say trying Swedish candy in Swedish?
Provar svenskt godis.
Okay, whatever she said. But we have this smash candy here, and it's some kind of crispy snack covered in chocolate, and we're gonna try.
Yeah.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Es schmeckt wie Buggles mit Schokolade. Today we're leaving Örebro early again because we have a full day packed of activities in front of us until we arrive in Jonköpping in the evening. But on the way there are so many things to do, like national parks and other small cities that we want to look at.
We don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close, so we have to give it one more try before the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one knows anymore. What's it for? What's it for?
Kex. We have kex chocolate.
Provar svenskt godis.
So I guess a waffle with milk chocolate.
There's so much more than we've been told, way beyond what we can hold. your eyes open for the things that really
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our homes. Forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have.
Oh my god, det var fett spinn. Oh!
Whoa.
And after this near-death experience, it was time to fulfill a small dream of mine.
Was ernst denn? Gut. Sleep. Und hinter dir auch, klar. Der geht gleich hinter ins Kreuz. You want to taste it? Yeah.
We now arrived here in Älmhult, which is the town where the first ever IKEA was opened. So of course we're staying here at an IKEA hotel right next to the IKEA museum and the IKEA restaurant, which is basically the only thing that's in this town here. So we're gonna go out for dinner now, and there's no other option than the IKEA restaurant, so I guess we're gonna go there.
Let's see what we're doing.
När han rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. Rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. När han rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut.
On the morning of day 4 is where we encountered our first big problem. We woke up to a message of our host cancelling our next stay, so before heading out we needed to find a solution.
Provar svenskt godis.
There's so much more than we've been told, way beyond what we can hold. So keep your eyes open for the things that really matter. Oh, we have to give it one more try, now that the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell.
Просто парю.
We just came back from my birthday dinner and now it's time to try another one.
Provar svenskt godis.
And this time we got Dame, which is something really popular here. I see it in forms of ice cream and everything, and also I saw it at an IKEA back home already. So I guess it's a huge thing here, but I'm not quite sure what it is. It's chocolate with something in it. Let's try.
Oh my god! Det är riktigt skönt.
Jag tar in.
Caramel.
Caramel. No caramel. Oh, nice. Yeah.
Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so busy, don't want this to end. Want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance. Just wanna dance. Pull up my card and swipe it again. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend our golden moves. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise a toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies.
It was crazy how ahead of time Sweden seemed at some points. We went to the supermarket on this day and there was a whole salad bar where you could choose from the craziest toppings. Also the amount of green spaces and parks and ways you could get around without a car was insane to me. It's time for dinner again now, and we decided to go to this fast food chain called Max, which is only here in Sweden, and I think Swedish people prefer to go there rather than to all the American ones like McDonald's or Burger King. And also it won many awards here for, I don't know, best burger and a few more, and I'm really excited how it will taste because in my experience, fast food burgers are never as good as in restaurants, but we'll see.
I had it all figured out. You came, turn everything upside down. Now you're all I think about. Now you got me going crazy. 'Cause my mind is filled with you. Oh, I've been dreaming about you every day, and I don't know why.
Wo sind wir? Das kennt sich ja keiner aus.
Malmö.